Looking for a dependable tool to measure current without breaking circuits? In the second line, we introduce the best clamp meter for electricians, a must-have for accurate readings, safety, and convenience. Perfect for troubleshooting and maintenance tasks. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Fluke 323 Kit Clamp Meter. The Fluke 323 Kit Clamp Meter combines two of Fluke's most reliable instruments into one convenient package, making it an ideal choice for electricians and maintenance professionals who need to measure both voltage and current accurately and safely. The kit includes the Fluke 117 multimeter and the Fluke 323 clamp meter, giving users the versatility to tackle a wide range of electrical tasks. The 117 multimeter measures AC and DC voltage, as well as AC and DC current, so you can handle most routine testing with one tool. It features true RMS technology for highly accurate measurements on nonlinear loads, which is essential when working on modern electrical systems that often generate distorted waveforms. The low input impedance on the 117 prevents false readings caused by ghost voltages, saving time and frustration when troubleshooting. The Fluke 323 clamp meter complements the multimeter by offering a non-intrusive way to measure AC current up to 400 amps and AC/DC voltage up to 600 volts without disconnecting conductors. It also uses true RMS technology to deliver precise results on nonlinear signals, ensuring your readings are trustworthy even in complex environments. The slim, ergonomic design of the clamp meter allows it to fit easily into tight panels and crowded equipment, while the rugged construction stands up to tough job site conditions. Number 2. Fluke 376 FC Clamp Meter. The Fluke 376 FC clamp meter is built for professionals who demand flexibility, advanced features, and enhanced safety on the job. This meter measures both AC and DC current and comes with an included iFlex current probe available in 18 or 36-inch lengths, enabling you to measure around large conductors and get into tight spaces that standard clamps can't reach. True RMS technology ensures accurate readings even on non-linear loads, which are common in modern electrical systems. One of its standout features is its integration with Fluke Connect, allowing you to pair the meter with your smartphone to remotely log, trend, and monitor measurements. This means you can observe readings from a safe distance, reducing the need for extensive personal protective equipment while the meter takes the risks. The logging capability captures intermittent faults while you're free to perform other tasks, boosting productivity on busy job sites. You can create and share reports instantly from the field via email or collaborate in real time with colleagues using Share Live video calls, streamlining communication and documentation. Its rugged build, clear backlit display, and intuitive interface make it reliable and easy to use in demanding environments. With its combination of high-amp measurement, flexible probing, and wireless connectivity, the Fluke 376 FC clamp meter offers unmatched convenience and safety for professionals working with complex electrical systems. Number 3. Fluke AC/DC TRMS clamp meter. The Fluke AC/DC clamp meter offers essential measurement capabilities with the accuracy and safety professionals expect from Fluke. This digital clamp meter measures AC current up to 400 amps, AC and DC voltage up to 600 volts, and resistance up to 4 kiloohms, covering the most common tasks electricians face. Its true RMS sensing capability provides precise readings whether you're measuring linear or nonlinear loads, regardless of waveform, making it reliable for today's increasingly complex electrical environments. The 30mm jaw opening allows you to measure current in a conductor without touching or interrupting the circuit, increasing safety and convenience. An audible continuity sensor confirms that the circuit conducts electricity without requiring you to constantly look at the display, streamlining fault detection. This clamp meter meets IEC safety standard 6101-1 and carries a Cat 4 rating for installations up to 300 volts and a Cat 3 rating for installations up to 600 volts, ensuring confidence when working in high-energy environments. It can measure both AC and DC current up to 400 amps, making it versatile for residential, commercial, and light industrial applications. With its compact design, rugged build, and easy-to-read display, the Fluke AC/DC TRMS clamp meter is a dependable companion for electricians who value accuracy, safety, and efficiency in one straightforward device. Number 4. Klein CL120VP Clamp Meter. The Klein CL120VP Clamp Meter Kit delivers a versatile, feature-rich solution for electricians who need more than just a basic clamp meter. The CL120 itself measures AC current and non-contact voltage via the clamp, and AC/DC voltage, resistance, and continuity via test leads, covering a wide range of diagnostic needs. Auto-ranging technology automatically selects the appropriate measurement range for accurate results, reducing guesswork and saving time on the job. The clamp includes a built-in test lead holder, and it can be paired with an optional magnetic hanger for hands-free operation in tight spaces. This kit also comes with the RT210 GFCI receptacle tester, which detects common wiring issues in standard and GFCI outlets, such as open ground and reverse polarity, enhancing job site safety. The NCVT3P non-contact voltage tester features dual-range capabilities to detect a broad range of AC voltages for various applications, providing additional flexibility. A built-in flashlight illuminates your work area independently of voltage detection, which is especially useful in dimly lit environments. With its combination of accurate measurement functions, practical accessories, and rugged design, the Klein CL120VP Clamp Meter Kit is a comprehensive package that improves efficiency, safety, and convenience for electricians working on residential or commercial systems. Number 5. Fluke 902 FC Clamp Meter. The Fluke 902 FC Clamp Meter is specifically engineered for HVAC technicians and maintenance professionals who need advanced features and reliable performance in one instrument. This clamp meter measures up to 200 DC current, making it ideal for checking flame rods and heating systems. It has an extended resistance range to measure thermistors up to 60 k-ohms, enabling thorough diagnostics of HVAC equipment. It can also capture flue gas temperature readings, expanding its usefulness beyond standard electrical measurements. True RMS voltage and current measurements ensure accurate readings even on nonlinear signals, which is critical in today's complex electrical environments. With Bluetooth connectivity through Fluke Connect, you can link your meter to your smartphone to log and share data in real time without standing directly in front of live equipment, enhancing both productivity and safety. Technicians can create and share reports instantly from the field or collaborate with colleagues via Share Live video calls to troubleshoot problems faster. Its durable construction, ergonomic design, and clear display make it reliable and easy to use in demanding conditions. By combining HVAC-specific features with wireless convenience, the Fluke 902 FC Clamp Meter helps professionals increase efficiency, minimize risk, and document results more effectively, making it a smart investment for anyone needing advanced measurement capabilities in one rugged tool. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.